How to recover Microsoft Authenticator app without using your phone. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up Authenticator. Now tap on Add Account, tap on Personal, tap on Sign In. Now sign in into your account, tap on Next. Now select I don't have access to my Microsoft and now select I don't have access to my Microsoft Authenticator app. Now tap on Get Code. Now go back to your home screen and open up Gmail. Now open up the mail, tap the code. Now tap on copy, go back to the browser and paste the code. Now tap on next. Now create a new password and tap on next. So that's it. If you found this video If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or such a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.